In this video, I'm going to talk about the eligibility requirements for DV visa lottery when it comes to education and work experience. Coming up. Alright guys, my name is Marieta, I'm the founder of ImmigrationBiz. I'm also a business immigration attorney, entrepreneur and business coach. And in today's video, I am discussing the eligibility for DV visa lottery 2022. Now, by the way, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. So if you are curious, the dates are officially released and it's going to happen starting October 7, 2020 and will conclude November 10, 2020. So you will be able to actually submit your entry for the DV visa lottery 2022, which are great news. But in today's video, like I said, I will talk about the requirements when it comes to education and the work experience. So if you haven't checked out the eligibility requirements yet, here is what you need to know. In order for you to apply and submit the entry, you need to meet the requirements, such as you have to be from the country that is eligible. And I made a video of eligible countries. I'm gonna link the video for you. Definitely go and check it out. In that video, I also talk about the exceptions, what that means if you are not eligible because you were born in a country that is not eligible. There are two exceptions that you can actually claim, and therefore check out that video. In today's video, let's focus on the requirement of education. The minimum requirement is that you have to have high school diploma. So if you don't have high school diploma, there are basically two ways you can go around it. You can either show that you have equivalent of the high school diploma, or 2 years of work experience within the past 5 years in an occupation that requires at least 2 years of training or experience to perform. The Department of State will use the U.S. Department of Labor online database to determine qualifying work experience. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link that database below this video. There's going to be also a link, the official source, link how you can check out these requirements. And you need to check yourself if you are meeting this requirement. If you're confused, you can certainly book a consultation with me. There is going to be a link below how you can book that consultation. But basically, these are two requirements when it comes to educational level or the work experience. Okay, now guys, you don't need to be actually 18 in order to apply. You can be 17, but you have to meet these requirements. So that being said, you have to show that you are at least graduated from high school, okay, and you do have the diploma, or if not a high school, you successfully completed 12-year course of formal elementary and secondary education, which is usually the equivalent to the high school diploma, okay? So these are the main requirements to apply for DV visa lottery. Somebody asked me, well, actually, you have to have a college degree or university degree to apply for DV visa lottery. Well, you don't actually. You don't need college degree. You don't need any university degree. You don't need to be doctor. You don't need to be a lawyer. None of that. Actually, you need to just show that you have the high school diploma or the equivalent, or you have the relevant experience, right, as I already explained. And this is what you need to show. And you also need to show that you are from an eligible country, and you guys need passport, right? This is also frequently asked question, can I apply if I don't have passport? No, not necessarily, unless the exception applies. Again, if you want to learn the exception, you need to go back to that video, the general DV visa lottery requirements. I already made that video. In other words, you need the passport. Okay, guys? So that's that for today. I hope that this is helpful. Leave a comment below if you guys have any question, comment, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Meanwhile, stay tuned and check out these two videos where I did talk about the general requirements, and I also did talk about the eligible countries that is going to help you out to understand if you do meet the requirements. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay tuned for upcoming videos, and good luck with your entry. See you soon. Bye.